Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop apps opening on startup in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to search for startup apps. Click on it. Now here you can see all of your apps. You just have to turn on and off on this button depend on your needs. I'm just turning off these buttons. So this is how you can stop apps opening on startup in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.